OpenAI has just unveiled its latest innovation, Sora AI. This groundbreaking text-to-video diffusion model is capable of generating minute-long videos with stunning realism. Reactions to Sora's unveiling can be divided into two camps. On one side, some question whether Sora will make traditional video production methods obsolete. On the other side, individuals are eager to know how they can try it themselves. Answering the valid first question will undoubtedly be a long, arduous battle for artistic rights, involving regulation at the highest level. While Sora was publicly announced today, OpenAI says it's still in the red teaming phase. That means Sora is being adversarially tested to make sure it doesn't produce harmful or inappropriate content. OpenAI is also granting access to a select group of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be most helpful for creative professionals. This is ostensibly to ensure creative professionals can benefit from the technology, rather than be replaced by it. But we won't know until Sora becomes publicly available and leveraged by businesses. You can read more about Sora AI on the OpenAI page. Hit subscribe for more information.